back to my channel. Maxie's gonna say hi. Maxie, say hi real quick. Say hi. Good girl. Okay, so she's doing good. Today is, what's today? Today's Thursday. Here's the chair, guys. Painted it. Looks good. Very comfortable, and it's like it kind of like rocks a little bit, you know, because the way it was made, you can rock in it. So still be here now, and then there's that chair if my husband comes out here and sits with me. So that's that. The next update will be these are doing well. Let me go ahead and feed them since you guys are on here. So here they are. There is Oreo, orange, creamsicle. Creamsicle is the solid orange one, and then there's snow. And then the other ones that you see that go really quickly by, those are the minnows. So there is an update. Last night I noticed that the water was really dirty, so I had to go to Walmart and buy a filter. And look at my my little fairy. I gotta clean her. Yeah, I don't know if I don't have enough plants to keep the water clean, or even if they're mature enough. So I just decided to go ahead and buy a filter, and I put it on last night, and by this morning the water was so much clearer, so that's really cool. The filter was only $11, so yeah, just gotta come over here like with a toothbrush and clean this off. It should come right off. If I keep it clean, it should, it should come right off real quickly. So that's that, and now I'm going to go pot some Aeoniums, the ones that I showed you yesterday, so that I can see and place them where they're going to go. So yeah, just want to show you this. They're doing really well as well. They look happy, and these look happy as well. Those are the ones that I recently added to the pots. And that's it. So now let me go and set up to pot. Okay guys, I am ready. See how long it takes me sometimes to set up. It's ridiculous. So I might sit down. I don't know, maybe. I guess I will. I'm gonna make a mess. I should get another container. You guys can see Maxie back there behind me. She decided to lay right there. I'm like, oh, that's perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out. As you guys saw, whoever saw yesterday, I found mealies on this plant. Let's pull this out and see what it's looking like. At least I'm really happy it's one stem, so that's good. I was able to spray alcohol on it rather quickly. I can't get this thing out. Okay, so hold on. Let's see something. Let me see if you see my face. Let's move it forward. And down a little bit. Actually, we'll just... Okay, so I've taken out the plant, and as you can see, yesterday I found mealybugs in here. I'm really happy that it's one stem. It looks like a little tree, so that's good. Hopefully the wind chime is not too annoying. It is pretty windy, and I don't mind the wind. Let's see what's in here. So there's like little baby snails as well. might go ahead and trim the ones that don't look good, just so that all the energy does not go to that. I'll try to still propagate this and see what happens. There we go. That's out. Here's another one. Just cleaning it up, removing the leaves that I don't like and the stems that don't look good as well. This one is like falling apart. It looks, it's not even gonna come out a whole. That one. So let's see who else. I'll have to treat this again with whatever I have, because I can't find alcohol currently right now and I'm out of it. I can see right in there where I had a bunch of mealybugs. Starting to look better already just by removing the ugly leaves and what's it called, the stems that did not look good as well. Okay, I think that's good. So yeah, I'll be keeping a close eye on this plant because I already know that it had mealy. Yeah. I'd like to remove this leaf, but I don't think I can. Just trying to make sure that you guys can see. Right there, I believe you can see. There you go. Anyways, today I actually went for a bike ride. I just started using my bike again. Not that I was like... Alright guys, it was time for Maxie's medicine. Taz, come here, buddy. Tazzy. Oh my goodness. Oil's gonna go everywhere now. Hold on. Tazzy. Okay, so there's that one. I took the wind chime down because it's just, I don't know, going a little bonkers. So here's that one. I want to remove this one, but I can't. Not without dropping one that I shouldn't. It's like when you want it to fall off, it won't fall off. Let's see. Oh, there we go. It came off. And then there's another one. I'm sorry, I don't want the dark spots, so I'm just gonna hold it and pull. There we go. See, that looks much better. And I'm going to. Okay, I did have a little bit of alcohol left in the bottle, so I'm going to spray specifically where I see white stuff. There we go. Try not to spray everywhere so that I don't waste it, because I can see where it is. Okay, that should do it. That should take care of that. Okay, so I'm gonna put this one aside and go ahead and do the other one. I'm not too sure if this one has mealybugs. I did spray it yesterday just in case, but I'm not sure. So, this is such a pretty one. Supposedly it's the same as the other one, but it looks very different to me. So this one is also one big piece with a bunch of, you know, babies. So that's pretty cool. I really like these in the Dollar Tree. Never have too many, and you can always stack them together if you're not using them. Bunch of dead leaves. Okay, just inspecting a little bit closer. Yeah, I don't see signs of millie in this one. Oh, I do. I see it on one of the ones over here. Okay, so glad I found some alcohol. Let's see if I place this here. Okay. Telling you guys something, I forgot what I was saying, so I don't even know what I was saying, if I even finished. Oh yeah, I went for a bike ride, right? That's what I was talking about before I got up, and I don't know what distracted me. So yeah, like I said, I'm not a person that goes bike riding a lot or have ever done it. I've gone bike riding a few times, like long distance. And so this will be my second time this month. I believe I'm doing 15 miles on a bike ride, so that was really fun. Let me pop that one out. Where is it? Okay, yeah. So I'm gonna trim some ones that look really bad, like that one. Oh, that one has a baby. Oh well, it's fine. I'll try to propagate it once I treat it for bugs. Let's see. Looks bad. That looks bad. This looks bad. Try to hold it and pull. There we go. Pull. This one. This one. Okay. So, yeah, let me see. So now, because I know that it has lilies, just gonna do every head here, just in case. And then look in here, underneath it, just in case I miss any. Okay, I think that's good enough. Then I'll inspect it again, and if I see any activity, anything moving in there, then I know that I have, that I still have to address it. Okay, now for the next step, okay, so this is what I have to do now as well. Let me show you guys what I'm gonna do. So I decided that I'm actually gonna, so I did see sun, but down here. So once I'm gonna cut that piece of wood. Once I put it up here, I came out here again to see, and the sun was not hitting the top of it. So that should be completely fine. The reason I'm doing that, putting it here is, well, this area looks a little funky over here. And it has an overhang, so they'll be protected from the rain. So let me cut the wood, set it up, and show you guys what that looks like. That's what it looks like. I put these cactuses there because they can handle the sun. Up there, those Aeoniums won't get any sun. And then that plant right there likes the sun as well. So yeah, I'm going to now tackle this, just clean it up a little bit, and then show you guys what it looks like all cleaned up. Oh, lizard shot. I've always liked lizards. They're so cool. They remind me of mini dinosaurs. I've always been tempted to make a lizard channel because they're funny. They just do some funky stuff. I'll be in the front porch and I'll see there's an area where there's always two of them fighting. So yeah. Oh, I'm excited. This one flowered, and I will post the picture right now so you guys can see that, how pretty it was. And then I'm excited because this one's about to flower as well. Hopefully it gets to flower. And yeah, I'm excited about that. So that's it, guys. That was the update. And yeah, I will see you in another video. You guys have a blessed day. Bye, guys.